What's up, guys? It's your boy Beast Boy 97 here, and today I'm bringing you a very, unique video. So basically, yeah, I was thinking I'll show you guys this. I'm back from school, 2 weeks, no, not 2 weeks, 2 days off, and I was thinking I'm gonna do a video. So basically, at school, no one might really know this, but this is what event that we do in school. It's called the secret room, where you buy stuff for Christmas. Yeah, and I bought this myself. This thing right here is an alien slimy thing. I have no idea what it is, cause I haven't opened it yet, cause it took me ages, and I think I can open it. So basically, what's it has in here, it's got a little baby that grows each time it gets warm. So if I close this, it will start growing, but I took it off so it won't start growing. So as you guys can see, the baby has grown a lot. So yeah, that's why I really wanted to show you guys. And also the goo is so cold. I don't know why, but yeah, it's so cold. It feels nice, really. It's such nice glue. I really like it. I bought this for what did I buy it for? I bought it because I had £2 for it, so we could buy stuff in it. So I bought it for 30p. It was nice. So yeah, you can make different stuff out of it. So yeah, that's what I really wanted to show you guys. I'll see you later in the next video. And subscribe, guys. I really want to get to 50 subscribers, so you really please subscribe to me, because I do a lot of cringy videos, but this one's not cringy. You gotta say unique. Oh, anyway, and could you please let's try to get 5 likes on this video. And I'll see you later. Beast Boy out. Bye. I'm still here.